We didn't come into this with our eyes closed. You choose your natural disaster. You can choose earthquakes or hurricanes or tornadoes or wildfires, and we chose lava. We were having earthquakes, a couple hundred a day. And then I smelled sulfur, and so I called my husband, and we got in the car and left. I just picked up my business and moved it to 3 different places over 4 months. I wasn't working in my shop, I was working at my brother's dining room table in Oxnard. It took me about 2 weeks to get going again, and then I went full gangbusters. I was basically like a mad woman because I didn't want to think about what was going on at home. I was in a freak out mode, and something positive at the time was having a really great sales day and having something that I didn't need to worry about at the time. I'm like, Bezos is accessible, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna send a nice email because I'm sure he doesn't get very many of them. And a couple minutes later, I looked at my email and I'm like, wow, it's from him. I just can't see a downside to using FBA. I was homeless, so to speak, for 4 months, and I had a mobile jewelry station going, and my sales still increased 10%. I know that no matter what's going on externally, I can depend on FBA to keep my business going. It's just a great feeling.